Okay, this is a quick repair for a Fiat Freemont Dodge Journey 2014 with a 2.4 litre engine. So when your coolant hose radiator cap fitting starts to break down, as you can see, this plastic is very brittle, so you'll need to repair it. First thing you do is remove these plastic clamps which are in holding that plastic T fitting in place. Cut those out, remove the fitting, which I've kind of salvaged now just to make a clamp for this aluminium fitting which I've bought to replace the plastic one. So these are available from eBay, pretty cheap. So yeah, you remove the plastic, put this instead. You can cut the remaining plastic fitting to turn it into a clamp so it'll hold it in position. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just replace it, the plastic clamps with your typical Jubilee screw type clamps, and the problem sorted. Next thing would be to find all the other plastic fittings like this one, which is probably due to break next. And then down the back there for the heater, there's a couple more which will probably go soon as well.